Good morning, students. I am Dr. Balki Kaur, Associate Professor in DIPS IMT. Today I am going to discuss the topic cost accounting. Cost accounting deals with a settlement of the cost of every job, every product or service. It deals with the cost of production, the cost of selling, and the cost of distributing the product to the consumers. Selling and distribution cost incurred for promoting the sales and retaining the customers and also for delivering the goods after their manufacture to the consumers. And the selling and distribution cost includes like the cost of advertisement, rent, insurance of showroom building, salary of salesman, salary of sales manager, salary of warehouse keeper, etc. The main purpose of classification is to the ascertainment of the total cost of any product with a reasonable degree of accuracy. Total cost is constituted as value of material used, amount of labor and other expenses incurred to manufacture the product. Like आप मार्केट में जाते हो और प्रोडक्ट परचेज करते हो, आप उसके लिए प्रोडक्ट की क्या पे करते हो? प्राइस. सो प्राइस इज नॉट द कॉस्ट. Price is cost plus profit margin. So cost is all the expenses incurred to manufacture the product. Is not the price. When it comes to the market, when the product comes to the market, then cost plus profit margin becomes the price of the product. Features of cost accounting. It is a process of accounting for cost. It records income and expenditure relating to production of goods and services. बच्चे जो आपकी cost accounting है उसमें सिर्फ आपने वो income and वो खर्चे डालने हैं जो आपके product की manufacturing के लिए हो रहे हैं. It provides information on cost of every product, job work, process or operation of the organization. It provides statistical data on the basis of which future estimates are prepared and quotations are submitted. Like अगर आपने किसी को बताना है कि हम आपको इतनी अमाउंट में प्रोडक्ट सप्लाई करने जा रहे हैं, ठीक है, देन आपको प्रोडक्ट की पहले कॉस्ट को डिटरमिन करना पड़ेगा. कॉस्ट को डिटरमिन करने के लिए फिर आप क्या लगाते हो? कॉस्ट अकाउंटिंग टेक्निक्स एंड प्रिंसिपल्स को यूज करोगे. देन उसके बाद फिर आप अपनी जो कोटेशंस है वो प्रिपेयर करके आगे फिर नेक्स्ट पार्टी को प्रोवाइड करोगे. It is concerned with cost ascertainment, cost presentation, cost control, and cost reduction. Cost control and cost reduction is the main motive of every organization because the motive of every organization is to earn maximum profit. So they have to reduce the cost of the product to increase their profit margin. It establishes budgets and standards so that actual cost may be compared to find out deviations. It involves the presentation of right information to the right person at the right time. And the next topic is scope of cost accountancy. It includes costing, cost accounting, cost control, budgetary control, and cost audit. Costing refers to the techniques, principles, rules, and methods of determining the cost of product and service. Cost accounting, which I have already discussed. Cost control involves the setting up of targets for expenses and production performance. And then the actual performance is measured and then compared with the standard so as to find out the deviations in the actual performance. If there is any deviation in the actual performance, then the corrective actions are taken to eliminate these deviations or variances. The next is budgetary control. Budgetary control is a system where budgets are used as a means of planning and controlling the cost. Budgetary control basically involves the establishment of budgets for each section of the organization. measurement of the actual performance with and their comparison with the budget performance so as to find out the deviations and corrective actions are taken timely. The next is cost audit. It is the verification of the correctness of cost accounts. The main purpose is to ensure that the figures as shown by the cost accountants are correct or not. So the basic purpose of cost audit is to measure the accuracy of the cost accounts. I hope these topics are clear to you.